Hello everyone, this is Jayesh and today we are gonna unbox the Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. This gimbal has come all the way from China. Let's open it. Yeah! The package is quite well built, and as you can see, this is Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. It's for mobile filmmakers. Well, let's just open it and you can see the box is pretty sturdy. You've got a stand here. It's a tripod stand. It's quite cute. And there are 3 legs and it appears to be plastic but hard plastic, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, I got a tripod stand! Couple of other stuff like for charging and stuff. This is the Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. It's quite sturdy to hold in your hands. This fits in quite smooth in the tripod stand. By default, it's in pan following mode. That is, it'll follow you. This is in pan following mode now. If you want to lock your camera, you're gonna move this button from pan following to lock mode, and then your camera gets locked. No matter how you move up and down, left and right, the camera stays focused. Right. Now I'm going in lock mode. This is the lock mode. Move it up again for pan following mode. Now I'll run and test. There are many features in the Zhiyun mobile app that comes within, and if you install it, we just see tons of features. We'll check the motion time lapse for now. So there are many features such as we can take a motion time lapse, we can roll the camera during the motion time lapse, and we can zoom in, zoom out. There are other options. So first we need to click one starting point like this, and then maybe we move our camera a little bit, and then take another waypoint and add it, and then maybe take another waypoint and add it, and we can keep adding waypoints as such. Suppose we tilt this as well, the camera should tilt while taking the waypoint in video. So once done, put it back. Once you click next, you set the time duration and then click start. The camera goes back to the position to the first waypoint itself, and then it starts recording. You just need to wait and watch. The waypoints will be marked as A, B and C. Fast forwarding for now. So this is the recorded movie. Motion time lapse. There's a back switch here, to lock the pan focus mode while you move the gimbal vertically. So this, when I'm moving up and down, the mobile gets pan followed. There's a back upper button to be used with pan following mode. Now suppose, and normally if I move left and right, the mobile moves quite slowly. That is, it follows you but quite slowly. Now suppose if I click this button here and then move my gimbal, you see, it follows quite quickly. The response is instant. There's a very handy cog wheel here that if we can turn left and right in order to zoom in and out of the video. You see, zooming in the video. See, it's very smoothly zooming in. Now zooming out video. Zoom out now quite smoothly. Now this button flips the front camera and back camera. If I click it, now my front camera is active. You can click to flip back again. So there's a play button here. If I click, I can see the files stored in my mobile. Now this is the menu come back button. If I click the back button, I'll go back to wherever I was. Now there's a button in the top. Yes, this one. If I click that button, we see the various options that we have in the camera in the Zhiyun app. So like default mode, 180-degree mode, panel mode, slow motion, motion time lapse, we have all those options accessible from here. That's great. This is a flip switch between zoom and focus mode. Now focus mode is on, so if I move it left and right, you see the focus is getting decreased and increased as required. Now if I again click on this mode button like this, then I get out of focus mode, and then again I get into the zoom out and zoom in mode. And yes, we do have a button for taking my photo. Wow, this is for recording videos. There's a battery indicator here. There are 4 lights, LED lights, 4 lights. So each I think means 25%, so that when your battery is down, you know it. There's USB Type-C charging input so that you charge the gimbal from here. We also have another port to charge the mobile somewhere here around, if you can see. This is the port, micro USB port. From here you can take the micro USB cable and put it to your mobile, and your mobile gets charged. So this acts like a power bank also. This is kind of correct. This acts as a power bank. So overall, this is a nice sturdy gimbal for achieving stabilization as well as using it as a selfie stick. And there are various other options such as panoramic options, motion time lapse. The mobile hand is quite sticky and sturdy. You can see the Zhiyun logo. The buttons are quite well placed to be, quite efficiently being operated from one hand. We have battery indicators and other stuff. And lastly, the tripod is great. Product is a great one. So all the best, Zhiyun. Thank you.